Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create ragdoll sit on cars. First, let's join the game. I forgot to show you that this is the name of the game, and you also start here because you need to click. Start to create something and choose a file, but I have the maximum my files. So if you want to create videos forever with this game, just like it, just also like it, and just like no other game, because then this world disappear. You don't have permission, but if you, when do you kidding in paper, so you can always remember this game. Do you know what is red? Thing is with the noob. Yeah, the bacon hair is sitting on the car, and if you put this rating, then you will sit. This is the name of it, joined breaker. First, you need to attaches on the car. Then click the play button and let's watch the simulation. When a part of the car touches the bacon, then it will fall off like it's being dragged off or just pushed off by parts of the cars. But you need path nodes to actually make the car turn. This is the bacon on the ground.